Uh, okay, everybody, welcome to 1000 Road Trips. I am here with fellow roadologist Chris Reefstack, and we are here to discuss top 5 hidden road trip gems in Northern California. These are things that are not typically on the beaten path, but they are totally worth checking out. And we're going to give you the skinny on these 5 things. So number 1 is the Pinnacles.
Pinnacles is a remarkable little, relatively small place. Like there's no like lodges or anything there. It's just a giant like rock structure, really. But it's gorgeous. And there's some interesting life there. Condors in particular.
Yeah.
Not sure you can see them anywhere else anymore. All the ones that are there, I think, were released. I don't think any of them are native. It's also the home to the Townsend's long-eared bat, and it's the only place in the world that those live. That cave gets closed occasionally because the rangers want to protect the bats, but you can actually go into the cave with the bats. Not good if you're claustrophobic.
Yeah.
There's a couple other little caves you can go into there that are cool, but the hiking is awesome.
Yeah.
Don't recommend it at the height of summer because it is hot and dry. Like
very true.
It'll get into triple digits in June, July. So spring and fall are ideal.
Yeah, great. All right. Number 2, we're going pretty far north for this one. The Avenue of the Giants.
Yeah, that is like way up there, way up north. You've got to get off. You really have to get off the beaten path. It's small roads to get out there, and then it's just this spectacular, quiet, beautiful drive through enormous trees. It's green. It's filled with life. It's filled with life and beauty.
Amazing. Yeah, that's really something. The sound, the smells.
Oh man, yeah,
just breathtaking. Number 3, Lassen Volcanic National Park.
Lassen is cool. Lassen there's parts of it where it has a surreal sort of landscape, otherworldly kind of landscape. There's like these lava places where the volcano erupted. I don't know the history of it honestly off the top of my head, but there's just these giant kind of like dead areas of lava, old lava flows, right? It's like black encrusted lava, but it's remote, and it's beautiful, and it's good hiking, and it's just a kind of an alien landscape.
Very cool. Number 4 is Highway 395. What do you have to say about that one?
Oh man, so 395. God, what do I say about that? So it's the east side of the Sierras. So like the west side where Yosemite and Sequoia are kind of the more traveled touristy areas. The east side, it's pretty remote, but the views are spectacular, and it just goes on and on and on. It's I don't know how far, 100 and some odd miles of these views of the east side of the Sierra. So you can see Mount Whitney, you can see a lot of the highest points in the continental U.S. And then just kind of like wide spatial valleys, lots of cool little towns, not a lot of people.
Yeah. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah, Mono Lake's over there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. And then number 5, we're going to bring in is called the Elkhorn Slough. That is a waterway near in the Monterey area. And what you do is you would go to Monterey Bay Kayak Connection. We'll put a link to that in the description of this video. But you rent a kayak and you go into the slough, and they make it very easy. But you're going to see it is teeming with waterfowl, first of all. So it's worth that alone. You are going to get seals, which is also incredible. But the real must-see is when you get in there, there are dozens of otters, and they are holding hands, and they are poking their heads up, and they are cute as hell. It is just a great time to get in there, and you're going to see something really special, and not a lot of people know about it. And then when you're done, turn in your kayak and drive the 6 minutes to Castroville, and there's a restaurant called Pete's Fish Market that serves enormous plates of fresh fish. That's just terrific. So I would recommend that very highly. So there are five hidden gems. These are out of the way, and not a lot of people know about them, and they are so worth hitting. One, the Pinnacles. Two, the Avenue of the Giants. Three, Lassen Volcanic National Park. Four, Route 395 on the other side of the east side of the Sierra Nevadas. And finally, do the kayak trip in the Elkhorn Slough. So those are five things that are just spectacular, and more people need to go check those out. So this has been 1,000 Road Trips. Thank you very much for tuning in, and get your butt out there on the road.